Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? It's Monday, so it's another world news video for today. It hasn't happened quite a lot during the weekend, but at least some things has happened. The first thing is that there has been a volcanic burst outbreak in Iceland, outside of Reykjavik. From what I can understand, it's still happening. It might have stopped, but there has been a volcanic burst in Iceland. And the second thing that I want to talk about is there has been a huge earthquake in Japan. It's not near the Fukushima, which is Fukushima is probably quite known for getting a lot of earthquakes, but this time it wasn't. And the third thing that I want to talk about is a Swedish politician has messed up a little bit, at least from what I can understand it. Probably, in short, he may have done a Hillary Clinton, and that he used his personal email for sending classified information, at least sending classified information about deals with AstraZeneca and Moderna for the COVID-19 vaccines. And I hope that at least people would have learned from what happened with Hillary Clinton, but apparently not. And there has happened quite a few things in the science world. Speaking of COVID-19, Moderna is beginning testing their COVID-19 on babies and young children. So we will see what happens with that. And there has been nearly 400 million people that has been vaccinated COVID-19. I think the average is about 10 million shots per day, which is a huge amount. And there is an endangered species, the regent honeyeater. Due to deforestation, they are forgetting how to sing and how to attract the opposite gender, and reducing their chances to finding a mate, which is sad. And some scientists, it's not clear which scientist reveal a plan to store DNA of over 6 million species on the moon. I don't know how they would do that as well, but that's how it is. And with that sneeze, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and comment below what you think. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.